Okay, so I have a customer that has a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. I'm about to make them 2 new keys. As you can see, these are 2 new keys, but it doesn't work. I'll be back with a part 2 once I get the 2 keys programmed. Alright, so I am back with a part 2. I got them programmed. Alright. Another successful job on a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Now I'm about to go and cut their key. And we're done.
Well, I know now. I know.
Pickup set or these.
Yeah.
You can't really blame them. I mean, if you think about it, you've been to a truck stop and it's got
Yeah.
They don't want them guys parking right there.